You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 215 over 182. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Break up the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 51x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 31 over 3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over negative 91. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 215 over 182.